Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to learn take the wheel. Okay, so to find out what this means, please stay tuned. But first, a quick review of last week's class. Alright everyone, imagine I ask you, how is the negotiation going with our supplier? And unfortunately, it didn't go well, or it didn't go as we planned. So, how do you say that using the expression from last week? You've got 5 seconds. Are you ready? Okay, go! Alright, and time is up. If you said, unfortunately, the negotiation fell through, then that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's class. All right, everyone, let's move on to take the wheel. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. All right, so I'm talking with my good friend and colleague Taro, and we are going to start a brand new project. So I asked Taro, who is going to be the project leader? Taro says, well, actually, I think you should be the leader on this one. All right, well, thank you very much, Taro. I'm very flattered that you think I could lead the project. Okay, now, this is fine. You should be the leader, but it's a little bit stiff. So, you might hear a native English speaker say this instead. Well, actually, I think you should take the wheel on this one. Okay? So, imagine a project is a car. Okay? And you are the driver. So the driver is the person that's controlling the car, or in this case a project, using the steering wheel, okay? So when you say take the wheel, it means take control of the car or take control of the project, okay? So the leader is the person who has the wheel. So if you think person A should be the leader, you can say, hey, you should take the wheel on this one, okay? You should take the wheel on this proposal. You should take the wheel on this project. All right, everyone? All right, so pronunciation, as you see it here, take the wheel. One small thing, please, again, be a little bit careful with the. Sometimes I hear my students say za, like Z-A, but it's a T-H sound, so make sure you have that nice sound, okay? It's like pushing air through your teeth, okay? So use your tongue, the, just like that, okay? Take the wheel, not take the wheel, it's take the wheel, all right? Okay, so repeat after me. Actually, I think you should take the wheel on this one. Your turn. All right, very good. Now after my question, so who's going to be the project leader? Okay, actually, I think you should take the wheel on this one. All right, good. So please remember this for next time. Okay, our bonus question this week is another way to say you will have an advantage. So if you know a better way of saying this, please feel free to leave it in the comments. If not, and you're curious, you can find it in one of our previous Bizmates for Beginners video lessons. So take a look if you have the time. All right, everyone. So that is it for us this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great week, everyone, and see you next time. Bye-bye.